Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me for our 8th Gardeners giveaway. We are going to start with the giveaway that we did highlighting Northland Rosarium. Northland Rosarium opened their shipping for spring. They also have gift certificates in case you're looking for the perfect gift. But let's get into that winner. This winner is going to get a free rose shipped to them. And the winner, I'm going to put the name here because you know that my pronunciation can be questionable at times. And I'm not even going to try. So if you would, congratulations. Thank you for subscribing and commenting. And if you would, just reach out to me through either my email address in the description or through Facebook, and we'll go ahead and get that set up for you. I wanted to share with you my ARS calendar arrived today. And just in case you were thinking about this for a gift, it has so many beautiful pictures, and it was so reasonably priced. I really want to say it was about $15, and you can never have too many calendars. So this may be something that just brightens your day when you look at to dream about the roses that you never even knew you needed. Let's go ahead now and talk about Regan Nursery. Did you guys see the unboxing that I did in the spring? I've never seen roots that were that big. I mean, they were monsters. They sell not only own root, but they sell Dr. Huey and they sell multiflora. Now, I'm a big proponent for own root and multiflora just because of where I live, but you know I'm going to buy some Dr. Huey too if it's a unique rose that I can't get elsewhere. They sent 50,000 bare roots out last year. So if you also look at their About page, they are a team of 4. Can you imagine 4 people sending 50,000 roses? And they do the majority of that probably in those months between, February when they're packing things up to ship out, February and May. And then we wonder why they won't answer their phone or their emails. Regan is located in California. It's a small business. As I mentioned, they have 4 people. And I typically talk to Maria, and she is so personable. And I really enjoy talking with her. I wish I could see her in person one day. So the last thing that I want to read to you before we get into the giveaway that I think is really important. In the video that we did yesterday, we talked about how small businesses and supporting them, they give back to the community. If you look in their About section, it talks about how they've given back. And it really warms my heart because they are doing a school education program, and it looks like they have worked with 35 different schools. And listen to this. The program is the first of its kind for the state. They provide local schools and teachers with gardening supplies for classroom educational projects and even school beautification projects. That's so amazing. Can you imagine if you had been given a gardening program when you were in elementary school or middle school, and what kind of a rose geek you would have turned into? I would have loved that kind of class growing up, and it just took me a little bit longer to find my love of gardening. I wish I had found it sooner. So with that, let's talk about the giveaway. Regan is giving away 1 bare root of your choice. I'd like for each of you to head out to their page and comment with something that you didn't know was in their page, even if it's just looking at a section that they have. Some like it hot, so they have a lot of great breakouts for roses there. So I'd like you to check it out and just find something about Regan that you did not know before this video. So thanks so much, and I'll plan on seeing you tomorrow.